Hello everybody, welcome to the KV Connoisseur channel. Today, me, Matty, is going to show you how to make a Minecraft server. I did another video on this before, but it wasn't very good, it was a bit crappy, so doing another one. So, you need to go to minehut.com, link will be in the description. You need to make an account and log in. You need to click this button and click Create Server. Choose the name, but I already have one, Huntu. So then you click Activate Server. It might take a while, and bear in mind, if your server's not on and you're not online to launch it, the people in the Minehut lobby. So imagine this scenario: your friend Susan wants to join on your server. You're not online to start it on the website. So they directly join the IP. It directs you to the Minehut lobby in Minecraft. So I'll show you what I mean. So you can either do it that way to start it, or once it's offline and Minecraft is loaded, you go here, multiplayer, direct connect. Well, I'm just going to a random one because this is my old server. But here we join into the Minehut lobby, which is like not our server, is it? So in order to join your friend's Susan's or Bob's whatever server, you do join, and then in my case it's Cheeseburg. And now it might say that it's not working because it is just going to have to launch it and whatever. So I'm just going to do it a few times. And if that didn't work, maybe it's because it's an error. Let me try the other server. There we go. It should say your requested server is starting up. You will be sent to it automatically. It says that, but you won't actually be sent to it automatically. So you need to check on it in a minute. Check on it. So this is a bit slower, but if your friend is not online, it's easier. So almost. Oh, joining well. There we go. No. There we go. So now we're in the world, and I wonder if I want to do wand. I already have World Edit installed, so I can just do some World Edit commands. Like that maybe, or just dig a little hole, blah 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 blah. I'm in Minecraft, yeah, some pigs. So yeah, you got this. But what if you want to install plugins to do this? Because World Edit doesn't come for free. It is free, but you need to install it first. And it's not that complicated. So what you need to do, once you're in your Minecraft server panel, I'm on this server, and it says online. You may have to click accept notifications, so it will notify you when your server is on. So now, you have to, surprise surprise, click the plugins panel. Also there's the server properties. I'll tell you about these later. So plugins. You have to type in essentials. This is commands like, instead of typing game mode creative, you type in GM1 or GMC or whatever. So you need to install all of these essentials. This one's set spawn, set warp. This one's just, I don't know really. So it makes the chat look a bit better. And if you want World Edit, you just need to type in World Edit. And then you just do this one, not these ones. Not them, just this one. If you want, you can have a look at those ones, but I just like the normal one. And if you want to use these, you'll need World Edit as well as them. Just in mind. Just keep that in mind. So once you've done that, you can just But in server properties, if you want to make a super flat world, you click level type, and it should be on default normally, but you have to click flat. Click save. And then you have to go into world settings and click reset world. But I'm not going to do this. But when you do that, the server has to be offline. So first I'd shut the server if I'd want a super flat world. I would go into server properties, go into flat, and then restart the world, launch it, and then log back in. And there are lots of different properties here, but you need credits to buy things like normal players or whatever, and you can pay for them, or you can vote. I can't remember how you do that. It's probably just /vote.hub, but it normally says up here. But and bear in mind, this only works on 1.13.2 at the moment. So this is how you do it with the Minehut. So there's another way you can do it if that's offline, or you just don't want your friends to join it. This one, all the plugins are free, but your friends can't actually join it unless you're online. So you have to start it via the dashboard. Anyway, so what's my Minecraft username? My Minecraft username is Captain Clark. Click continue. So we need to go to kingdoms.gg or Minecraft. Let me just join there. And now we have to type this command here. I'm selecting it and then doing Control-C. So enter, do that, and your verification request has been sent. Go back to the website to continue. And here we are. We're on our dashboard. You have to go here, click create server, and then you click activate your server, and click start, and it's exactly the same, but just all the plugins are free. And yeah, but you still need credits to do this with the server icons. So it's exactly the same, but only you need to do it, and there's free plugins. You need to start it, I mean. And if you want to op yourself, you can just do like op name. No, but it needs to be online to do that. So yeah, if this didn't work, ask me in the comments. If I can't help you, just like go onto their Discord or on their Twitter or whatever, and they'll be bound to help. So I hope this is a better tutorial than the last one, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!